In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple booking system with Airtable. By the end, you'll have a solid starting point for managing bookings in one place, built quickly with Airtable's Omni Assistant. All you need is a web browser and access to Airtable. First, head to the Airtable website. Opening it in a fresh tab can help you follow along smoothly. Once the homepage loads, give it a second to fully render so the navigation shows up correctly. On the left side of the screen, find the Create option. It usually lives in the sidebar where your workspaces and bases are listed. Click Create to start a brand new build. This is the central entry point for spinning up structures without manually creating every table and field yourself. Next, choose Build an App with Omni. Omni is Airtable's AI-powered builder that turns a plain English description into a working setup. It can assemble tables, views, and relationships based on what you ask for, saving you time and helping you start with a sensible structure rather than a blank canvas. When the prompt field appears, type "Make a simple booking system." Keep it clear and straightforward, just like that. This tells Omni you want an essential setup focused on scheduling and reservations. You don't need to over-explain here. Clarity beats complexity. If you prefer, you can add context like the kind of bookings you handle in the future, but for now we'll stick to this simple proven phrase. Click Build It to generate your app. Omni will analyze your prompt and begin drafting the foundations. Expect it to propose the core building blocks you'd want in a basic booking workflow, such as a place to capture requests and a way to track availability. The goal here is to get you a usable framework quickly, which you can refine later as your needs become clearer. Give it a moment to process. If you see a preview or confirmation screen, go ahead and click Build It again to finalize. This extra confirmation simply tells Omni to publish the structure into your workspace. Be patient while it completes. Keeping the tab open and uninterrupted helps the process finish cleanly. That's it. You now have the foundation of a simple booking system in Airtable, created with just a few guided clicks. From here, you can explore what Omni produced, review the fields, and get a feel for how bookings will flow through your new setup. This approach jumpstarts your system so you can spend your time refining details instead of building everything from scratch. In future sessions, you can enhance it with custom fields, forms, and automations to match your exact workflow.